The digital world is vast, it's expanding every day, but there's a problem. We don't have enough people to protect it. Millions of cybersecurity jobs are unfilled. This shortage is a crisis. We need you. The threat is real. Cyber attacks are becoming more common. They can target anyone. Businesses, governments, and individuals are all at risk. We need skilled professionals to defend our digital lives. The good news? You don't need a traditional degree to answer the call. Cybersecurity is like the immune system of the digital world. It's about protecting data from unauthorized access, breaches, and theft. Just as our immune system fights off harmful invaders, cybersecurity measures work tirelessly to keep our digital environments safe. It's about keeping systems safe from attacks, whether they come from malicious hackers, viruses, or other cyber threats. These defenses include firewalls, encryption, and constant monitoring to detect and respond to potential dangers. It's about ensuring privacy in a connected world. With so much of our personal and professional lives online, maintaining privacy is crucial. This involves using tools like VPNs, secure passwords, and understanding the importance of data encryption. Cybersecurity is not just about technology, it's about people. It's about educating individuals and organizations on best practices, fostering a culture of security awareness, and ensuring everyone understands their role in protecting information. It's about understanding how attackers think. By studying their methods and motivations, cybersecurity experts can anticipate and counteract potential threats, staying one step ahead of those who seek to cause harm. It's about building systems that are resilient. This means designing software and networks that can withstand attacks and recover quickly from any breaches. It's a continuous process of improvement and adaptation. Why is cybersecurity important? Because our lives are increasingly online. From social media to smart homes, our digital footprint is expanding, making us more vulnerable to cyber threats. Our personal information, financial transactions, and critical infrastructure are all at risk. Protecting these assets is essential to maintaining trust and safety in our digital society. We need you to be a guardian of the digital frontier. Whether you're an IT professional, a business owner, or an everyday user, your actions contribute to a safer online world. Together, we can build a secure digital future. The path to cybersecurity doesn't always require a traditional degree. In fact, many professionals in the field have built successful careers through alternative educational routes. Many online platforms offer high-quality training. These platforms provide a variety of courses that cover the latest trends and technologies in cybersecurity. These courses are often more affordable and flexible. This means you can balance your learning with other commitments, such as work or family. You can learn at your own pace. Whether you prefer to study late at night or early in the morning, online education fits your schedule. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and edX offer a wealth of knowledge. They provide courses from beginner to advanced levels, ensuring that there is something for everyone. Look for reputable courses from industry leaders like Google or IBM. These companies often collaborate with educational platforms to offer specialized training. Certifications are like badges of honor. They not only validate your skills, but also show your commitment to continuous learning. They demonstrate your skills to potential employers. Having certifications on your resume can make you stand out in a competitive job market. Some essential certifications include CompTIA Security Plus, Certified Ethical Hacker, and Certified Information Systems Security Professional. These certifications are highly regarded in the industry. They provide a solid foundation and are often prerequisites for more advanced roles. Investing in these certifications can significantly boost your career prospects in cybersecurity. Understanding the theoretical aspects of cybersecurity forms the foundation of your expertise. It's where you learn the principles, the frameworks, and the methodologies that guide the field. But practical experience is key. It's not enough to just know the theories, you need to see how they apply in real-world scenarios. This is where the true learning happens. You need to apply what you learn. By engaging in hands-on activities, you can bridge the gap between theory and practice, making the knowledge truly yours. There are several ways to gain hands-on experience. From individual projects to collaborative efforts, the opportunities are vast and varied. Try Capture the Flag competitions. These events are designed to challenge your skills and push your limits. These are online contests that test your cybersecurity skills. They simulate real-world scenarios and require you to think on your feet. They are fun and challenging. The thrill of solving complex problems and the camaraderie of competing with peers make them an invaluable experience. You can learn by doing. Contribute to open source projects. This not only enhances your skills but also helps you understand the collaborative nature of cybersecurity. Many cybersecurity tools are open source. By working on these projects, you get to see how professionals tackle real-world problems. You can contribute to their development. This is a great way to gain practical experience and make meaningful contributions to the community. This is a great way to learn from experienced professionals. Mentorship and collaboration are key components of growth in this field. Set up your own home lab. This personal space allows you to experiment freely and learn at your own pace. This allows you to experiment with different tools and techniques in a safe environment. It's your sandbox to test, fail, and ultimately succeed. The power of networking. Connecting with the cybersecurity community. Cybersecurity is a collaborative field. Connect with other professionals. Attend cybersecurity conferences and workshops. These events offer valuable learning opportunities. Networking is not just about finding a job, it's about exchanging ideas, it's about learning from the experiences of others. Don't be afraid to reach out to people you admire, attend local meetups, engage in online forums. Building relationships is essential for your growth. Online communities, your virtual cybersecurity hub. The internet is a vast resource for cybersecurity professionals. Online communities offer a space to connect. You can ask questions, you can share your knowledge, you can learn from others. Reddit, Discord, and Slack all host active cybersecurity communities. These platforms are free to join. They offer a wealth of information and support. Engage in discussions, share your insights, ask for help when you need it. The cybersecurity community is welcoming and supportive. Cybersecurity is a constantly evolving field. What you learn today might be outdated tomorrow. Embrace continuous learning. It's the key to staying ahead of the curve. Subscribe to industry blogs and podcasts. Follow cybersecurity experts on social media. Attend webinars and online workshops. The more you learn, the more valuable you become. A commitment to lifelong learning is essential for success in cybersecurity. Your cybersecurity journey starts now. The world needs cybersecurity professionals. The demand is high, the work is challenging, the rewards are great. You don't need a traditional degree to start your journey. Online courses and certifications can provide a solid foundation. Gain practical experience through CTFs, open source projects, and home labs. Network with other professionals. Join online communities. And never stop learning. The digital world awaits its guardians. Are you ready to answer the call? If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to Techcademy Labs for more tech tips and insights. See you next time.